In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can apply conditional formatting to a row based on a single column. So here in this data, we have every row highlighted in green wherever the sales are greater than 1,000 in column C. To do this, I'm going to copy paste this into a new tab, Alt ESV, and then make a couple things bold, Alt HOI, just clean the formatting a bit, and then make this right here a date. Okay. Now that this is a date, to apply the conditional formatting, we want to first highlight the range we want to apply the conditional formatting to. Now we're going to go to the Home tab, and we're going to go to Conditional Formatting under Styles Grouping, and we're going to click on New Rule. And we're going to use a formula to determine our conditional formatting. So here we want to say, well, wherever the column C, and we want to make sure this column C is the same range of data that we are applying our conditional formatting to. So column C, all the way down to 701 is greater than thousands. Now, one of the most very important parts of this piece right here is we want to remove the $sign around right before the numbers in each of these formulas. So that way the conditional formatting can copy paste down. So we're C1 and C7 greater than thousands. Now here we'll do apply conditional formatting. Just want to say, hey, wherever C is total greater than 1,000 is awesome, right? So we want it to be green. Okay, as you can see, now every row where the sales are greater than 1,000 is green. That's a lot of green, but what about our more crummy sales, right? Sales that are less than 500. To do this, we want to click on Home. We do the same thing. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rules, and we want to use a formula to say wherever C is less than 500. So column C is less than 500. And of course, we want to remove the $sign before the row so that way you can copy and paste down. Format, fill, and then we want these to be red. But maybe not such a harsh red, like lighter red. Like that. Okay. Now as you can see, we have a few reds in there. And this is great because we can now more visually discern our data. And any outliers, for example, can be picked up a bit easier in our data set. Like these snickerdoodles on for France 11.9, and the row below it was not great, but the one in Mexico and Canada were much better. So this can help you just get some more visual representation data. And let's just say you want to remove the formatting from like a row, for example, like right here. You can go to Home, Conditional Formatting, and then Clear Rules from selected cells. As you can see now, these selected cells above do not have the conditional formatting applied to it. That's it. I hope you found this super helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.